Fragile.
Hey guys, we're at the Dog Studios today with a case. You could probably already see it says Zalman on there, but we're gonna open it up, see what's inside. You can see the Zalman pictures. I don't want to show you the size of the box because it's like a pain in the ass. It's too big. I thought this was gonna be like a little case, but seems like it's gonna be a humongous one. Oh wow, like 2 boxes. Okay, I'm gonna have to take this out. You're gonna see the back of my head. Sorry. Ugh. Okay, it's a box in a box. I hope this isn't one of those Russian dolls that I have to go over and over. So you can see M1 on the case. Oh no, not another. Okay, there's the box. Okay, we got the case here and see what it looks like. Oh crap. This is like serious. It's way bigger than I thought it was going to be. Okay, you're going to see the back of my head for a little bit again while I pull this or slide this out. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm going to use this as a box sideways. Take this off. See what's going on with this. Where is the bag coming from? Okay, so this is the front of the case. The bottom case has little rubber clip thingies, plastic. Plastic. Whoa, something fell off. Okay, it's a net, honeycomb design, so it allows air through the front. You can see that. So there's a giant fan here. I don't know what this is, but it's taped on. Let's take it off. I want to see what it is. Don't you hate it when the tape's too good? But then when it sucks, you complain too, right? Yeah, I know that feeling. I do the same. And this, I guess this is where the bays are. I guess this is a removable hard drive. And what is this? Fan speed is what it said on the web page, I think. Okay, and let's see if I can take something else off or I have to unscrew it. I'm doing this really quick because my cameraman's getting tired right now. Okay. Okay, it seems like there's a lot of cables going through here and a lot of space. Let's see. Okay. Let's close this up, top part, and take off the sides. Okay, which side should we take off? Oh, you want to see the back too, right? So we see the back. Looks like this. Guess the power goes here, the motherboard goes here. Wow. It's pretty, so the motherboard goes sideways, huh? And there's some, oh, this is like a dust collector on the bottom. And I don't know what that is for. Maybe it's the handle, so I could flip it over sideways. Let's take off the screws on this. What's up pretty tight. Oh, and you can see there's a fan on the back too. Humongous. Okay, we're gonna go sideways now. And and boom, this is the inside. You see some items here, rubber, oh, it looks like vibration stopper. Put your hard disks here, power source at the back, put your drives here. So it has a lot of space, that's for sure. So I guess that's it for this. Thanks for watching.